Welcome to East 4x4, the most budget-oriented off-road channel in all the YouTubes. And today we are going to see if we can make this rear hatch on the new Escape commuter go a little bit higher. I ordered the lift struts from, link's going to be down below. They're from an Explorer or a Mountaineer, about of the same era. They're like a ½ an inch longer. I found on the Excursion, if you go a little bit longer, it really amplifies as it gets out. So I'm going to pop these things on here. I'm going to measure first, pop them on here, and see if I get any height, and see if they work. I'm a little afraid they're going to be a little long because these compress all the way, but we'll see. Okay, so I am going to measure to the bottom of the trim where the latch is, and I've got 72.5 inches or so, being generous. Let's pop these things open. So they are, they're about the ball width longer, so not much, but hopefully enough that I get a little bit of height out of them. So the weird thing is the body's a lot longer, so I'm going to see if these things close or not, but really that's all the difference is. The front and the top is the same, but they're going to be new. See if we get any height out of them. First things first, let's see if it closes. Those are stiff. Woo! So nice and stiff. Shoots it up. I don't know if they gained any height. Oh, 73.25. So we gained 3/4 of an inch with that little thing. Still closes down. This is now super hard to close, which is good. I bet that door on the other is heavier, so these are heavier shocks. But it springs right up now, which is really nice that I don't knock my head on it as it goes up. It's still low enough. I'm 6'3" and I hit my head, but a little lift for the Escape will help. Anyway, the link's going to be in the bio to those, or description down below, and if you buy through the link, I get a little commission. Thanks for watching. We will see you guys next time.